Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's session I would like to share with you how to elaborate real creatures to another imaginary creatures, and how I can manage different live creatures and to elaborate them and to add them something unusual. Like you can see in this snail, I just add some gems and some stones, like to decorate its shell. And actually it is quite obvious because we have so many different shapes of shells, and also with so amazing drawing and shapes on it, and so it was quite obvious. But I try to create something more unique, if I can say it. So my references, as you can see, the main reference, the biggest one, it is my main reference for this snail. And all the links for references you can find in the description below. I try to be precise and leave all my own links for the references in the description. And so I try to again to draw this snail again and again, just to understand the shape and understand how can I change and what I would like to change here. As you can see, I'm drawing with just simple graphite pencil with I think it was B or 2B, and I don't like to draw with too soft pencils because I like to keep my pencil sharp and during my work. And on one hand, you can think that I am just lazy to sharp it, but it's not. I just like straight, very sharp lines, and to be precise with my sketching. And here I try to add some, maybe it could be head, but it should be cup of acorn. I think this cup, we have another word, it doesn't matter. So it should be cup of acorn, but it became to be some head or kind of. What I would like to say here, why I keep it in my video, even though I don't like it, and I don't think that I will use it for my illustrations, but all what you're drawing, all your sketching, it is your own experience, and so it has quite it is important to you to draw, and because with each drawing you can get your own experience, and it is very good for you, for your art, for your creativity, and for your fantasy, and to develop your fantasy and to develop your creativity. It's the most important thing for illustrators, for artists, and that's it. Okay, my next exercise was with rhinoceros beetle, and I found this beetle quite interesting, and I would like to elaborate it and to make some changes to this beetle. And first of all, I start to do so with stuck beetle, but it was kind of not good. Never mind. I continue with rhinoceros beetle, and I would like to add to this rhinoceros beetle mushrooms, and we will see how it will be. Of course, my beetle can't fly because it has mushrooms on the back and on the place with wings, and so obvious it can't fly now, but it is interesting experience and interesting experiment also to add to such a cute beetle, to add something so different like mushrooms, like some fungi. I've read some articles about anatomy of these beetles, and I discovered so many interesting things about its anatomy, about anatomy of its legs, and so as you can see here, it was our own experience and experiment of combine mushroom with this beetle, and but it's also, I think it is also interesting, and I keep it in my video, and that's it. During this sketching, I just imagined to myself I imagined to myself my client that could just order or to ask me to create this character design, and I was kind of talked to my client, and I imagined to myself this client said me, no, it is good beetle, but it is not a mushroom, and you have to create something else and to elaborate it else, and this beetle is cute and good and very kind of believable and with good shape, but the mushroom, it is not mushroom. This is the reason why I am going to change it in the future. I am playing around with two sketches of this beetle, and after a while I just started to really combine this beetle with another mushrooms. Of course, this beetle, as most insects, has only 6 legs. I tried to copy the structure of this mushroom, and I think it was interesting. I like these mushrooms because of its structure, its texture. Because I find this texture quite interesting and unusual. And of course, I keep in my mind that all this mushroom, even though this mushroom whole of different holes and interesting, I don't know, kind of empty things, empty holes, and really interesting texture. And but never mind, this mushroom has a value, and I would like just to add some value on this, on all this mushroom. And I try to elaborate another mushroom because my potential client doesn't satisfied with my drawings, kind of. So in this case, from original beetle, I just have a head with a horn and legs. That's it. And its body, it is mushroom. Its body is the mushroom with spots, with shapes. When you add some texture to something, to some character design, don't do the same spots or the same texture or the same pattern. Try to do it a little bit with different sizes, because when you make it in the same size, it starts to be boring and unpleasant, kind of. Finally, I decided again to draw it just from the start and to find another shape for this creature. And as you can see, I started from small, very tiny, small shape, just to find a main idea. And after that, I started to develop it to my to my drawing. Yes, I like this shape. I like this silhouette of this drawing, of this character, and we'll see how I can draw it and elaborate it. have to take a break, of course, sometime. And here I decided to add some plants because I think it was interesting, more interesting and unusual. Everything here is unusual, but actually this exercise I found it so challenging, and it wasn't easy to create all these creatures. But I like it, and I think here I was quite, because my potential client called me again and said that I need to work more hard, and I started to just to make something fun and creepy. Also here to add spots, I try to add them just to find some interesting pattern. So my session almost done, and I hope you find it helpful and interesting, and so keep drawing, keep create strange creatures, and you can find a lot of fun here, and it is also you can develop your imagination, you can develop your own style, and you can develop just to get more experience and to master your art. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and see you next time, and have fun, and keep drawing, keep sketching, and have a nice day, and bye for now.